As high school students, we know how overwhelming school can be. Especially during COVID-19, many students are left with tons of tasks to do and little structure to plan their days.
One of the most common recommended solutions includes making a schedule to manage limited time. However, many students fall into the trap of creating overwhelming schedules and overworking themselves. To help students combat these stressful times, we've created the Safe Scheduler.
The Safe Schedule platform pulls events from one's personal calendars and gives it user recommendations to create a more healthy schedule and balanced lifestyle. It also allows students to see at a glance how they're spending their day, provide important resources and tips, and it'll even find recommendations for helping relieve their stress.
Let's dive into the demo. The user schedule is first accessed from their Notion page. This format is really difficult to review at a glance and takes some time to look through individual events. Using the Notion API, we're able to take this information and auto-sync it with our platform. If we look at the Save Scheduler, you're immediately met with a modern and clean user interface. Users can find the schedule for their day on the left, color-coded based on whether it's a draining or uplifting activity. This ratio is also represented in a progress bar on the right to showcase what percent of your day is spent on what. On the right is the status of your schedule, indicating how balanced your day is based on the number of draining activities. Based on the status, you are either given productivity tips for a balanced schedule or mental health tips for a schedule that needs work, each with the Learn More button to access further resources. If someone has an overwhelming schedule for that day, they are given a recommendation to move events to a less busy day. As you can see, Monday, May 24th is considered overwhelming. And so we are given a tip to reschedule events to Tuesday, May 25th. If we go and visit that day, you'll see that there is only one uplifting event, so it's considered well balanced and would be a great place for the user to reschedule their events. As well, this program also allows Notion events to auto sync with our platform. If I go to Wednesday, May 26th, and I add an uplifting event like play soccer, I'll tag it as uplifting, go back to the Safe Scheduler, and when I visit May 26th, the event will pop up.
So as for the future of Safe Schedule, we'll first be looking to integrate the platform with Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud because these are some of the other more popular calendar options out there, and we want to be able to provide our service to as many users as possible. From there, we want to also provide more personalized suggestions because at the moment they are preset suggestions that are the same for each user. However, we essentially want to make more personalized and meaningful suggestions to each user. Lastly, we also want to improve our rescheduling feature to allow them to reschedule events directly from our platform instead of simply providing rescheduling tips. To conclude, we hope that Safe Schedule will revolutionize the student experience and help students develop a more healthy and manageable schedule.